Splash is an amazing place where we see the value and the power of the platform and the ecosystem in action.
You're the community that's making that come to life. Without you, there is no OneStream.
Everyone's looking for finance to do more. So business needs a hero. That hero is you. We understand what that feels like to have that pressure.
Genesis unleashes simplicity. It will change the paradigm for how you can do more and do it faster.
OneStream Genesis is going to transform the way that you all work in your day-to-day business.
That's the difference that we're talking about. It's not 10 times easier. In many cases, it's 1,000 times easier. And we're not going to stop. This is the true power of AI. The potential is unlimited.
Girls Who Code really gave me a massive leg up in my career, and I'm so incredibly grateful.
And so I do think that there is a benefit of having women leaders who really are empathetic and understand.
And I think so much about career is a journey to figure out, like, what do you put on this earth to do?
This is how you build. This is OneStream.